there are potatoes in your house. Just 3 ingredients. I'm sure you all will love it. For this recipe, we will be cutting 3 medium potatoes. And people are already commenting to me. If you like me, I also love potato recipes. I'm going to add this potato in a pan and put water until it covers. I will cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. I'll take the lid off so you know if it's ready. You put a fork and if it's soft, you can take it out, right? Okay, I've already taken the water. I'll be putting it in a container. And I'm going to mash these potatoes very well. And folks, you're already commenting there for me. What city are you watching us from? That I will send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I will now add 3 eggs. Grating a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese. Ready like that. I'm going to add it here, and we're going to mix all these ingredients very well. To season, I will add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and we are going to mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Emily from Boston. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. Let's now add a drizzle of oil to a frying pan. And with the spoon add our potatoes right. And go modeling them in this very easy way, very practical to do. When it's roasted on one side, just turn it over to bake the other side too. Okay, it's ready now. I'll be removing it. Very simple, very quick to do. To complete, I will be putting chives on top that is to be more delicious. And our recipe is ready. And you saw that it's easy to make and it was delicious. So if you liked it, share it and until next time. Goodbye.